Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on installing a theme in Fixflow. The example that we'll be using in this video is Theme 2, and you'll find a link to download this in the description below. Once you've downloaded your Fixflow theme, come down to your administration options and choose Import Configuration. Navigate to your downloaded theme, select it and click Open. Now we'll upload it. Enter the password. You can find this in the description below if you've downloaded Theme 2. Click Return, and now the Theme 2 will install. This may take a moment or two depending on how large your theme is. With the theme installed, I'll close my notification. The final stage is adding an association for Theme 2. The association determines what Fixflow uses to build an application. There are two options. The first one is system level. We can associate Theme 2 at system level, and this means that the apps will be created using Theme 2, and that will be all applications on our particular server. The second option is at the application level. We can associate a theme at the application level, and this means only the application with the associated theme will use it. This is used if you have several different themes and you wish to use a different theme for different applications. For this demonstration, we'll focus on the system level association using Theme 2. However, the configuration is almost identical, and I'll show you how to access the application level association at the end of the video. So let's begin. The first thing I'll do is navigate to my system configuration. Here I need to tell Fixflow what my default component palette will be, and this will be what's used when I start creating my applications. The palette that I want to use for Theme 2 is the Theme 2 App Builder base components. Next, I need to choose my default date format, and then a date time format. I'll save my changes before moving down to the style selection. Under the style settings, I now need to tell Fixflow what to use for its grid styles. Here I'll open up the styles, and under packages I'll expand Theme 2. Now if I scroll down, I'll find a whole section on grids, and then it's just a case of matching up the styles with the grid styles. With all my styles associated, I'll now save my changes, close my styles, and we're ready to get started using our theme. To set the application level association, navigate to your application, double click on it to open its properties, and now we just need to fill in the same details that we did for the system level configuration.